Economy versus first class, the real differences you need to know. Flying isn't just about reaching your destination, your seat choice shapes your journey. Are you prioritizing savings, comfort, or ultimate luxury? Let's dive into the real differences between economy, business, and first class to help you decide the ideal travel experience for your next flight. Economy class is where affordability meets efficiency. The seats, though basic, offer travelers just enough comfort to get from point A to point B. Ideal for budget-conscious adventurers, this option ensures you save money without missing out on essentials like in-flight entertainment and snacks. However, space is limited and legroom may be tight, especially on long-haul flights. Despite the simplicity, economy class fits the travel needs of millions daily, making it the workhorse of air travel. For families, solo travelers, or backpackers, it's the go-to option for cost-effective flying. Picture this: wide, reclining seats, gourmet meals, and a glass of sparkling wine. That's business class for you, a blend of comfort and practicality. Designed for professionals and frequent flyers, it prioritizes personal space, upgraded amenities, and convenience. From faster check-ins to access to premium lounges, business class transforms airports into stress-free zones. On board, expect priority services, quieter cabins, and even power outlets to keep you productive mid-air, making it an excellent choice for travelers seeking efficiency and relaxation. If you've ever dreamed of flying in ultimate luxury, first class makes it a reality. Think private suites, gourmet dining, and exclusive service that feels tailor-made for you. The cabin is a haven of comfort, featuring lie-flat beds, high-end amenities, and all the privacy you desire. First class is designed for those who want an unparalleled experience, be it for leisure or business. From priority boarding to exclusive lounges and superior in-flight comfort, it sets the gold standard for air travel. Every part of the journey feels effortless and deeply indulgent. The most obvious difference is cost. Economy prioritizes savings, business enhances comfort with added perks, and first class goes all out with luxury. Consider the seating economy is functional, business expands space, and first offers premium privacy and design. Meals differ dramatically too. Economy typically offers standard fare, business introduces gourmet options, and first class elevates dining to fine culinary art. Each class carefully balances cost, comfort, and exclusivity to cater to evolving traveler needs. Choosing the right class depends on your priorities. If budget is key, economy works. Need both comfort and practicality, business class is your match. For ultimate indulgence, first class is worth the splurge. Think about the purpose of your trip, leisure, or business to make the best choice. Air travel offers choices as diverse as its passengers. Understanding the real differences among economy, business, and first class helps you unlock the travel experience that matches your dreams. Ready to decide? Next time you book a flight, know your priorities and elevate your journey. Take control of your travel comfort today. Embrace better flying and share this video with your fellow travelers. Which class will you pick for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow us for more travel tips.